Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to rename a survey in SurveyMonkey. So right here we are at the home tab, and this is the place where you will find all your surveys. Let's say we want to change the title right here, the untitled. We select right here untitled, and then he will send us right here to the survey. Then what we're going to do from here is we go with our mouse to this title, click on it, and right now we can give the survey a title. So we do right here, rename survey, for example. Then we can also select right here if we want to have the title left aligned or center aligned. So we do center aligned, and then we do save. Then right now you see right here that we change the title. And if I click right here on the monkey and we go back, you see right now that our name of the survey is rename survey. So this is how you can rename your survey in SurveyMonkey. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.